Here we have a problem involving averages. Mike has taken 6 of 10 equally weighted math tests this semester, and he has an average score of 82. How many points does he need to earn on the 7th test to bring his average score up to 83? Let's have a look at the whiteboard.
So here we've got all the relevant information from our problem. 6 of 10 tests with an average of 82, and we want to know the score we need on the 7th test that will make our average equal to 83. So let's take these one by one and turn them into mathematical equations. Stay with me because I know this looks intimidating. The average score across 6 individual tests is 82. The question we're trying to answer is, what does the value of the 7th test have to be in order for the average of 7 tests to equal 83? Adding in some grouping symbols really makes the problem a lot easier to think about. The sum of the first 6 tests is represented inside both of our equations. So we can either go ahead and solve for these grouping symbols for the group of the first 6 tests, or maybe to make it a little easier, we can let the sum of the first 6 test scores be equal to a single value. By letting x represent the sum of the first 6 test scores, we can create 2 equations that are a lot easier to work with. We'll solve for x using the first one. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 6 gives us x equals 492, and that's a value we can substitute into our second equation. Now we solve our second equation for the value of the 7th test score. We'll multiply both sides by 7, then subtract 492. So what score do we need on our 7th test in order to get an average of 83? 89.